We are predicting the future by creating it ourselves. It's a magical time.
A lot has happened in the last 100 years.
Our intuition about the future is linear.
But today the world is global and exponential.
Your smartphone is actually billions of times more powerful per dollar than the computer I used when I went to college.
Singularity University is a place that teaches about exponentially growing technologies. Those technologies doubling in power year on year.
It's important to actually look at the exponential trends that affect your particular business.
Computation, sensors, networks, artificial intelligence, robotics, 3D printing, virtual and augmented reality, synthetic biology. All of these are technologies that are riding on increasing computational power. And these are the technologies that are going to be changing our world.
I love the fact that we can invent things to improve the human condition.
You can make a meaningful discovery in your lifetime, and that's going to trickle down to all of us, and it's going to have an impact on the world.
It's content that's never taught anyplace else.
Now look at this curve. This is Moore's law. Over the last 100 years, through good time and bad time, wartime and peacetime, recession, depression, and boom time. This is the result of faster computers being used to build faster computers.
In an exponential world, things are doubling year to year. So in 10 years, you're 1,000 times better. In 20 years, you're 1,000,000 times better. In 30 years, you're 1,000,000,000 times better.
We're going to go from an internet that's the size of a golf ball to an internet the size of the sun.
Alan Kay said the best way to predict the future is to invent it.
If all you do is coast, eventually you slow down while others catch up and pass you by.
Anytime there's a real challenge is not the time to retreat, but the time to move forward.
We are living in the most extraordinary time ever in human history. You have the ability as individuals and as small teams to literally do what only governments and large corporations could have done in decades past.
I don't care if you work at Coca-Cola or you're a startup founder, investor, a policymaker, you work for the government. Are you doing meaningful work?
Let no one tell you you can't do it.
And today, the world's biggest problems, the things that make billions of people suffer,
Are also the world's biggest market opportunities. These are people who are doers, entrepreneurs, thinkers, leaders,
that can affect positively the lives of 1 billion people within a decade.
When you see these programs at work, you know that this is money very well spent.
The jobs will create, the money will save, the planet will preserve. That is the kind of future our kids and our grandkids deserve. And it's within our grasp.
Collectively, we as humans are at a point in which technologically there's at least one feasible path to getting to another star within our generation.
Today, we commit to this next great leap into the cosmos. Because we are human, and our nature is to fly.
The more people solving problems, the better the world gets. It's a mindset and a power that has never been possible before.
And that if not you, who? If not now, when? That you have the tools to really fundamentally make a difference in these key areas.